Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Sebbi. So, it's one of those moments. You're hungry, you check the fridge for something to eat, and you find a box of eggs. So, you flip that box open, you're super happy. Hey, cool, I found some food, some naturally packaged food. I guess this should be simple. This should be like a fruit. So, I just have to remove the natural packaging. I crack the egg open, get the egg into a bowl, get a spoon, and I'm ready to go. Well, how about not doing this? Because normally, aside from a few exceptions, you should always cook your eggs. And in this case, today we are focusing on how to cook an egg. So this is a super special egg special. And the first thing, as I said, cooking an egg means actually cooking an egg with a pot. So quite simple. Pot with water, engage the stove, maximum power of course, and wait for the water to boil. The water is boiling, so now we're getting to phase 2, which is inserting the egg into the water. Of course, you're not throwing the egg right into the water because water, especially when it's cooking, is bad for your skin. So you don't want to get splashed water on your skin. In this case, use a spoon. Use just a simple spoon and carefully insert the egg into the water. And now you just have to wait. You can reduce a little bit the heat. And you have to wait for about 6 to 7 minutes for a somewhat soft egg, or up to 12 minutes for a fully and well-boiled egg. So you do have options. Alright, while the egg is now in the boiling water, we can deal with the second option, how you can prepare an egg. And for this second option, you, of course, need a frying pan. My trusty cast iron frying pan is now ready. As you can see, I added some oil. Let's make sure that the oil is somewhat distributed evenly across the frying pan, and now we get to the next way. Of course, you're not just inserting the egg as it is, as you did with the boiling water. No. This time you need to crack open the egg. So let me do this real quick. Crack the egg open and fail. As usual, I failed. But yeah, this is part of the process. So you just insert the egg and let it get fried. Of course, when you go for frying an egg, you do have multiple options. You can either just leave it as it is so that the yolk remains just cooked from one side, or you can also go for a different approach, and you can carefully make sure that you remove the egg from the frying pan and simply flip it over to the other side. So that's also getting fried from the other side. And this also is up to you, completely up to you. So you can fry it from one side and you can fry it from the other side. The egg is finished. Let's grab a plate, get the egg out of the frying pan, and voila, you have your egg. Of course, you should also, to make it taste good, add some salt to it, and voila, you do have your egg. Alright, now after the egg is fried, we can come to the last option. The last option, this is where I can use the first attempt of cooking, or of rather eating an egg. So I just get the egg, I get some salt, so let's just add some salt to the egg. Then of course we need some pepper. Let's add some pepper to it. Nice and easy. And finally, to make things interesting, let's add some cheese. Oh yes, we need some cheese. So you just mix everything up. You just mix the egg with the cheese and everything. so that you do have a good mixture. And then comes our good friend, the frying pan, back into the game. Once the frying pan is hot, which it still is, you simply get this mixture, this egg and salt, pepper, cheese mixture, and put it all in and let it cook. Alright, my little cheese and egg situation is making nice progress. I will just flip it a little bit around so that it gets cooked from all the various sides, that the cheese is heating up nice and evenly, that we get a very, very good mixture. And yeah, just like this, you get some scrambled eggs with cheese. That's a very, very easy recipe. We can already cut the heat again because this is all heat we need. It's just about getting this thing cooked. And yeah, soon as you just basically have the cheese left, which is coming out of the scrambled egg, you just get your spatula and you put it on the plate. Remove the last bit of cheese. And voila, you do have the second option of how to cook an egg. After we have now fried an egg, after we have cooked some scrambled eggs with cheese, it is now time to deal again with our boiled egg. So the egg has enjoyed the bath in the boiling water, and of course you can't just use your hand and get the egg out of the boiling water, because once again boiling water is bad for your skin. So once again we are using Mr. Spoon, and we can use Mr. Spoon after cutting the heat to simply get the egg out. Of course it's way too hot, so you can either let it now sit and cool down, or you can use a trick and put it into some cold water to speed up the cooling process. I cooled down the egg. Now we come to the moment of cracking the egg open. So you just crack the egg open from all the sides, and you just have to remove the shell of the egg, and voila, we have a cooked egg. So with this we have now 3 easy options how you can prepare your egg. You can either go for a fried egg, you can go for a hard-boiled egg, or you can go for scrambled eggs with cheese. And I think this is much better than just cracking the egg open and putting a spoon into it. So I hope this helps you to survive, and yeah, I wish, as always, bon appetit!